Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So here is how to create the trendy Instagram photo collage. But first of all, let's preview the demo.
You've been talking about patience, hoping for everlasting.
So guys, make sure you watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get started. Open Inshot and create a new video. Select a blank clip. Change the canvas to TikTok's 19:16 and increase the duration. Now let's add all our photos with PIP and adjust it accordingly.
Just let me be.
Clip all photos to the end.
Just let me be. I got a lot to say. I hope you don't feel no way.
So now split all photos at the middle.
Mistakes when you blow the flame. You're kind of obsessive to me. You're kind of too strong on your feet. I can't say that I guarantee, but I know.
And change the second part of the photos filter to dark.
Just let me be.
Finally, adjust the length of all the photos.
Just let me be.
Now let's preview the final result. Thank you for watching till the end. Be sure to leave a like on this video and comment down below if you found this video helpful. Much love I got for you guys. Peace.